Are you searching for an honest Bluehost review where someone has tested their service thoroughly? Look no further. This review dives into the main interfaces of Bluehost, evaluates its performance and uptime, examines the support quality, and assesses how easy it is to set up a new website. If you're contemplating whether Bluehost is the right host for your website, Bluehost provides cost-effective hosting with an easy-to-use interface, ideal for beginners starting with WordPress. Its performance is reliable for smaller websites, but may lag under high traffic. Load times are impressive in the US and Europe, but slower in Asia. The average load times are 1.13 seconds in the US, 0.8 seconds in Europe, and 2.17 seconds in Asia. Bluehost boasts a perfect uptime of 100% over the past 3 months. Bluehost offers a range of key features, including SSD storage, automatic backups, server-level caching, free SSL certificates, and malware scanning. It also includes a WordPress setup onboarding tool, a custom hosting dashboard, and access to cPanel. Depending on the plan, you can host from 1 to 5 websites, with SSD storage ranging from 10 to 100 gigabytes. Bluehost excels in user experience, particularly for beginners. The WordPress installation and site setup process are straightforward, guided by a simple setup wizard. This makes it easy for those who have never built a WordPress site before. The custom hosting dashboard is user-friendly and allows you to manage your sites efficiently. You can quickly access key areas such as security, backups, plugins, users, and speed settings. For more advanced functions, Bluehost still provides full access to cPanel, which includes tools like File Manager, phpMyAdmin, and backups. Performance is a crucial aspect of any hosting service. Bluehost speed tests show varying results based on geographic location. In the US, load times average around 1.13 seconds, while in Europe, it improves to 0.8 seconds. However, in Asia, the load time is slower, averaging 2.17 seconds. Despite these differences, Bluehost maintains a consistent 100% uptime, which is commendable. Bluehost performance is adequate for low-traffic sites such as portfolios, brochure websites, or small blogs. However, for higher traffic sites or those with intensive resource usage, like busy WooCommerce stores, you might want to consider more performance-focused hosting providers. Bluehost offers 24/7 support through live chat, phone, and ticket email. Having access to phone support is a notable advantage, as many similarly priced hosts only offer live chat. While the support quality is generally friendly and helpful, complex problems may require escalation to higher-level support. Higher-end hosts like Presidium offer expert-level support right from the start, but at a significantly higher cost. For example, Presidium's plans can easily cost over $100 per month compared to Bluehost's more affordable options. One of Bluehost's main advantages is its low cost, especially with promotional prices. The basic plan starts at just $2.95 per month, while the Choice Plus plan begins at $5.45 per month. However, these are promotional prices that apply only to the first billing cycle. After that, regular prices apply, with the basic plan costing $11.99 per month and the Choice Plus plan costing $21.99 per month. You can lock in promotional prices for up to 3 years by paying upfront. For a 3-year commitment, the basic plan costs $4.95 per month, and the Choice Plus plan costs $7.45 per month. While this option offers a lower monthly rate, it requires a longer commitment. Bluehost offers a free domain name for the first year, but you will need to pay for the domain name and privacy afterward. CodeGuard automatic backups and SiteLock Essentials are additional paid features. Premium SSL certificates are available, but unnecessary since free SSL certificates are included. Bluehost is beginner-friendly, offering an easy setup and management process. It provides both a custom dashboard and cPanel, catering to different user preferences. Bluehost performance is adequate for small sites, and its 24/7 support includes phone support. Additionally, Bluehost is affordable, especially if you lock in the promotional prices for 3 years. There is a significant price jump between the promotional and regular prices, which could be a consideration for long-term use. Bluehost performance may not be suitable for higher traffic or resource-intensive sites. Furthermore, Bluehost no longer offers unlimited website hosting or storage, unlike some competitors. Bluehost is a good option for beginners looking to launch a website affordably. Its user-friendly setup and management, combined with low promotional prices, make it ideal for those just starting. If you're ready to begin, you can visit Bluehost and follow a simple guide to install WordPress. For serious websites with higher traffic and revenue goals, investing in a more performant host like Rocketnet or Kinsta might be worthwhile. These options are pricier but offer superior performance. Additionally, if you need to host multiple low-traffic sites, other hosts that support unlimited websites and storage may be a better fit. In summary, Bluehost is a reliable and affordable choice for beginners and small websites. However, for more demanding needs, exploring other hosting options could provide better performance and value. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.